还有红太阳菜肴，还有一场欢迎。
The best way to support me is to subscribe, so please subscribe.
Hello everyone, I want to do a drone update for the repair that I plan on doing because I wasn't expecting this. When I made the original video that explains about all the parts that you need and good places to get them from and recommendations, I'll put a link to that video in the description below. So basically, if you're here, you probably broke your yaw arm off and you need to replace it. So just real quick, without the details, you're going to need a new yaw arm. You're going to need the new camera cable. And there's another cable that a lot of people aren't aware of. It's the yaw arm motor cable, and it runs on the back of the yaw arm. So I was waiting for this motor, and of course you're going to need some tools. Get some little tools that, you know, they're really small for the drone parts and stuff, so there's an explanation on where to get that too. So here's the motor, and in Chinese it says
还有红太阳菜肴，还有一场欢迎。
which basically stands for Phantom 4 Pro yaw arm, and it fits the Pro or the Advanced. If I didn't mention that, I think I did. So there you have it. This weekend I'm going to do a video on repairing this drone. So like and subscribe, click the notifications, then you'll know when the videos are up. And again, yeah, we'll have fun repairing it. Have a great day.